Ready to start contracting in Tennessee? Here's exactly what you need to know. From the state perspective, Tennessee requires a license for all trades. General contracting, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, roofing, and mechanical. If a project exceeds $25,000, that's whether you're the prime contractor or subcontractor. To qualify, you must pass both the Tennessee Business and Law exam and the applicable trade exam for your specialty, whether electrical, plumbing, or HVAC. Submit a CPA-reviewed financial statement showing working capital or net worth. Your license limit is generally up to 10 times your working capital. Provide a letter of reference and proof of general liability insurance, minimum $100,000, and workers' compensation if you employ staff. Although Tennessee did not previously mandate continuing education, you must keep your license active by renewing regularly, completing continuing education for your trade, and maintaining up-to-date financial and insurance documentation. Local requirements. In Knox County and Nashville-Davidson County, contractors pulling building permits must register with the local building department and show proof of insurance. Memphis requires all trade contractors to register through the City Construction Code Enforcement Office before performing work. Every jurisdiction has its own forms and renewal timelines. Don't let paperwork slow you down. Visit athomeprep.com for state-specific licensing course prep, step-by-step exam help, and everything you need to work legally in Tennessee and your local county or city.